You want me to help you a little bit? I'll give it a little start. Here, hand it to Mom. Okay.
Let me go get scissors.
Here, I'll Okay, let me do a little cut. Watch out, 'cause Mommy has to do it. Okay, now you can finish opening. Who is it? We can't wait. We can't wait to see. Do you know who it is?
It's Toby!
Yay!
Toby!
Show the camera.
See?
Turn him around so we can see. Very nice.
Another Toby. Another Toby.
Is that your favorite one?
Yeah.
Okay, come back to the camera.